Hello children, welcome back to our Hindi class. Today we are going to learn a poem Sabse Badkar Hum. It is your 15th chapter. Can you tell me what do you understand by living things and non-living things? And can you tell me this ball, pot and this comb are living things or non-living things? Yes, these all non-living things. You know, human beings can do different things with their organs. That is why they are considered as the great in the world. So children, here we have mind map of our poem Sabse Badkar Hum. Here you can see many things like pin, chair, so on. These all the things cannot do it works by their own. Human being can do. Only person can do his work by his own. So we will see what things we have in this lesson. Alpin. Alpin means pin. Then chair. Chair means kursi. Next kangi. Kangi is a comb. Then we have ghada. Ghada means pot. And we can see nariyal in this lesson. Nariyal is coconut. Then table. Table is table only. See, in these things they are having many body parts, like chair is having 2 arms, table is having 4 feet and comb is having many teeth, but it is helpless to do the own work of it. But only a person having all the organs, he will do his works by his own. So children, here we have word meaning of our poem Sabse Badkar Hum. First one is बाहें. बाहें का मतलब भुजाएं. It means arms. Second meaning घड़े. घड़े का मतलब मटके. मटके is pots. Next डोल. डोल का मतलब चल फिर. चलना और फिरना मतलब move. Lost word लख. लख का मतलब है कि देखना. It means to see. Dear children, take your textbook page number 106. So here we have first stanza. आलपिन के सिर होता पर बाल ना उस पर होता एक. कुर्सी के 2 बाहें हैं पर गेंद नहीं सकती है फेंक. So children, here you can see pin. A pin has a head but no hair on it. Can you see? This is the head part of the pin. Is any hair here? No. Here we have a chair. It has 2 arms. It has how many arms? 2 arms. But it cannot throw a ball. See here? It can throw a ball. Is it possible? No. So here it means a pin has a head but no hair on it. And a chair has 2 arms but it cannot throw a ball. See here, a girl is playing with a ball. She can throw because she is human being. Chair is having arms but it cannot. Now we will learn next stanza of the poem. कंघी के हैं दांत मगर वह चबा नहीं सकती है खाना. गला सुराही का है पतला किंतु न गा सकती गाना. Here we have a comb. Comb is having many teeth. Can you see here? These are all the teeth of the comb. But it cannot chew food. This next 2 lines is the throat of jug is thin but it cannot sing a song. होता है मुँह बड़ा घड़े का पर वह बोल नहीं सकता. 4 पाँव टेबल के होते पर वह डोल नहीं सकता. Children, what is this picture? It's a pot. Can you see here? The mouth of the pot is big but it cannot speak and the table is having 4 feet. See here 1, 2, 3, 4. Having 4 feet but it cannot move. Next, जूते के हैं जीभ मगर वह स्वाद नहीं चख सकता है। आंखें होते हुए नारियल कभी ना कुछ लग सकता है। It means here shoe have tongue. This is tongue of the shoe, but it cannot taste. And the coconut is having eyes, but it cannot see. See here, a boy is watching the TV. It means he can see, but a coconut having eyes also, it cannot see. है मनुष्य के पास सभी कुछ, ले सकता है सबसे काम, इसीलिए दुनिया में सबसे बढ़कर है उसका ही नाम। It means we humans have everything so that we can work. That's why we are considered as best in the world. So children, hope you understood this chapter. In this we have learned about some non-living things which is having parts but there is no movement. They are helpless. We should thank to God that we have all body parts and we are in great position. Why? Because we can do all the works by our own with our organs. So I will upload the classwork in our school portal. We will meet in the next session.